floor this afternoon to talk about jobs, and there isn't any more important issue for American families today than jobs. For 3 long years, we've been waiting for the economy to get back in gear and start creating the jobs necessary to keep America strong. I'm afraid that Congress and this administration have not done their part to foster the healthy, job-creating economy we need. We've heard plenty of talk about job creation, but the rhetoric simply does not match up with any action. So today I'll speak about the headwinds that we face, as well as some of the simple solutions to help spur job creation. This week, the President's Council on Jobs and Competitiveness presented President Obama with 5 steps to create job growth. I agree with most of the suggestions. Some of them are steps that I've been urging for some time, like streamlining job training programs and speeding up the government permitting processes. But unfortunately, for the most part, these are just baby steps. The truth is, the most significant step the federal government could take to allow greater job growth is even easier than a baby step. Washington government just needs to get out of the way. We keep putting up roadblocks. Last month's dismal job numbers paint a very clear picture. Unemployment rose to 9.1%, far above the 8% level promised by the administration.